Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making crescent roll taco pie. Alright guys, I'm starting out here with a 9-inch pie pan. I'm just using these aluminum throwaway ones. And I have a roll of crescent roll dough that I'm going to line the pan with. There. And you just want to lay your crescent rolls in like you're laying in slices of pie. I'm going to go ahead and do all the way around my pie pan. Right now that I have my pie pan all lined with the crescent rolls, and you just want to spread them out to fill in your seams. And I'm making 2 pies tonight, guys, because one isn't going to be enough for me and Holly and the 3 boys. And I don't know if you can notice in my voice, I woke up with a cold this morning, so I'm feeling a little under the weather, but we'll be fine. Now I have roughly 2 pounds of ground beef here that I mixed 2 packs of taco seasoning mix in with. I'm going to go ahead and get half of my ground beef into one of these pie pans. And Dexter's all charged up. Dexter loves tacos. You just want to smear your ground beef around in there. Now I'm going to take some shredded cheddar cheese. You can also use taco cheese if you like. Use any kind of cheese you have on hand. I'm going to spread it over top of the ground beef. We want to put a generous layer down. Now I'm going to make my second one, and I'm going to put these in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes so the cheese is melted and the crescent rolls are cooked through. Alright, my taco pies are done. They took 20 minutes. Then I pulled them out and put them on top of the stovetop to cool off for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to take some taco sauce. You can also use chunky salsa for this if you have it. That would work great too. I'm going to put a little bit of taco sauce on there. Let me grab a spoon to spread that around. Okay. I'm going to take some shredded lettuce. And guys, you can dress your taco pie up any way you like. Whatever toppings you like, you can put on it. And I got the pre-shredded lettuce from Walmart. That makes it a little easier that way. And then I'm going to put some diced tomato on there. It's starting to look like a taco already. And then finally some green onion. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright, let me get in here and give this a try, guys. They can put sour cream on this, guacamole, whatever you like. I don't like sour cream. And I never really had too much guacamole that I crave it, so I made it like this. Dexter, I'm trying some pie. It's really delicious. Get the freshness of the vegetables, you get that beef and the cheesiness, you get the dough. It tastes a lot like a taco and sort of like a stromboli. We have a thing up here called a, what's that called, Eric? A dogi. We have a thing up here called a dogi. It's like a cool taco between 2 pieces of dough. This kind of tastes a lot like a dogi too. Alright, there you have it. Crescent roll taco pie. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.